Alright, so let's look at simplifying, and in this case we want to use order of operations because we've got multiple operations happening here. So order of operations tells us how to correctly compute operations, mathematical operations, based on what operation is being performed, and so there's a specific order. And so that order is going to be PEMDAS, and that is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Something to keep in mind here is that multiplication and division get done at the same time, from left to right, like reading a book, and addition and subtraction gets done at the same time, from left to right, like reading a book. All right, so let's look at this first example here. We've got 5 times 7 minus 6. So we start at the beginning of order of operations, so our PEMDAS here, parentheses. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any exponents? No. Multiplication or division? Yeah, we've got that 5 times 7. So that's that first thing that we're going to do there. So this is going to equal 5 times 7, which is 35, minus 6. All right, and then we do this again. So parentheses and exponents? No. Multiplication, division? Not anymore. Addition and subtraction? Yeah, so we've got the subtraction. So this is going to be equal to 35 minus 6, which is 29. All right, and so a little bit more there on the PEMDAS. We've got parentheses, exponents. We talked about exponents in a previous example. Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So remember that multiplication and division get done at the same time, from left to right, like reading a book, and the same thing with our addition and our subtraction. All right, so let's look at this next example. We've got 8 times 3 squared minus 6 divided by 2. So do we have any parentheses? We do not. But do we have an exponent? And we do. So we're going to start with our exponent. So this is going to be equal to, and we bring down everything else, 8 times, well, 3 squared is 9. And then we're going to keep the minus 6 divided by 2. And then we'll just do that again. So parentheses, nope. Exponents, we got rid of that already. Multiplication or division, we do. And we see that we've got multiplication and division, but we do them from left to right like reading a book. So the first one that we're going to do here is our multiplication. So this is going to be 8 times 9, which is going to give us 72. And then we'll bring down the rest. Minus 6 divided by 2. All right, and then we get to play the game again. So multiplication, we've got parentheses and exponents. Those are gone. Multiplication or division, yes. This time we've got division. So we're going to do the division, bring everything else down. So 72 minus 6 divided by 2 is going to give us 3. And we get to play the game one more time. So parentheses and exponents, those are gone. Multiplication, division, that's now gone. So addition and subtraction, yep, we've got subtraction. So this is going to be 72 minus 3, which is going to equal 69. All right, so now we've got one more here. All right, so we'll play the game again here. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. So here, do we have parentheses? Yeah, we do. So this time we start with parentheses. And so I simplify inside the parentheses first. So that's going to be 5 times, well, in my parentheses, 4 minus 3 is going to be 1. And then I still have plus 5 squared. All right, so then we get to play this game again. And do we have any more parentheses? We do not. But we do have an exponent. So my exponent's going to come next here. That's my 5 squared. So I bring everything else down. 5 times, we still have that 1 plus, and 5 squared is 25. And then 5, we're going to play the game again. We've got multiplication and division here because we've already done our parentheses and our exponents. So multiplication and division, 5 times 1, so I've got 5. And then I'm just going to bring down my 25. And last but not least, we've got the addition left. So 5 plus 25 is going to give us 30.